Hello, thanks for watching. So in this video, I'm going to talk about obviously the brand new marketing system that I launched yesterday, which is the new Network Solutions Pro version 2. Okay, and why have I launched this marketing system? Why is it better than other marketing systems that I created? And why is this going to be a great opportunity, great chance for people to really start to succeed in this industry? Well, first of all, I've learned so much in building marketing systems. You know, I've put together dozens of marketing systems over the last 3, 4, 5 years, and I really see now what is required to simply onboard people as fast as possible. You know, getting people through a funnel and into the system and allowing them to see your join links multiple times, including the follow-up messages. But more importantly, you know, as they go through the funnel, there is a clear, concise, and important set of steps that guide people through. You know, no distractions, no clicking here or as different options, no this, no that. Just really clear and concise, detailed pathway into the system. And once they're in the system, they know what they got to do next. All right. And even if they click away, because you know what people are like, I know the psychology of what people do. They click away from things. They can't be bothered to do things right now because, people might be on their mobile phone at the time when they saw this opportunity and they're not ready to look at it right now. But giving people a continuous and ongoing chance to be able to get back in and continue where they left off so they don't miss the important steps. All right, but also adding in that important value aspect so that, you know, the members themselves, they look like, or they represent the marketing system in such a way that they're the ones who are actually giving out the value. You know, it's not just about branding me as the owner or the admin of the system. It's branding the member themselves. You guys are the people who are actually giving out the value. All right, you look like, you know, the person of value, the person, the go-to person to get exactly what they're looking for. Okay, so that's what we've done. We've taken away all the complications, the overwhelming aspect that people normally and typically have. We've given people the opportunity to come back and revisit the system later, so they can continue where they left off and get absolutely set up 100%. But you know, always as they go through the entire system, the only join links that they ever get to see are your links. The system, guys, is 100% branded to you. All right. So you guys get the credit. So, you know, what you're going to see and what your members are going to see is an urgency, you know, really, where, you know, they're taken by the hand and almost shaken, say, get on board, you know, absolutely get on board. And that's what's so important, is giving people that urgency, that sense of urgency to take action. Because if they don't, they're gonna have that sense of what they're gonna lose. They're gonna miss out. Where people don't want to miss out on things, they want to get all in so that they can use the system to its full potential, and they don't have people leapfrog above them. They don't get people jumping in before them, and so that so they don't miss out. Okay, so but I've left out all the unnecessary, overwhelming aspects, and where a lot of people, when a lot of other marketing systems tend to become so wordy about getting people on board, that getting people on board into the different income streams. They often talk for hours, or there are webinars you gotta visit, and by the end of the webinar, you've been in a webinar for over an hour and you still don't know how to get things set up. But no, with this system, guys, we really give you everything you need, but in really, really short and simple steps, short, simple videos, everything, the minimum you need to really just get started and locked in. All right, because really what you're trying to do is you're trying to get people to simply click. All right, that's all you're trying to do. You're not trying to make a sale initially. You just simply want to get people to click to sign up. That's all they need to do. And the great thing about these particular income opportunities is not only are they long term, but they're going to actually allow you to sign up for free. I'm not looking for freebie seekers here, guys, but at the end of the day, that's how you're going to get to the big players. It might take a bunch of freebie seekers to get you to those big players, because people are going to share out this system. It's free and they're always going to be on board. They don't have to worry about monthly expenses. There's nothing in here that requires you to spend monthly subscriptions on anything. So you're never going to get people, downgrading, leaving the system, quitting, or anything like that. Because once people are locked in and they've set up their system, and as long as you have set up the system before them, then when they come through, they're going to get set up completely, and that's really just all you need to focus on in the beginning. Because by getting people to lock in and taking action initially, and then even if they start to promote the system, they still get credit from these platforms. All right, so then obviously what you need to do once you've grabbed their email address, because you will, everything, once they join the system for free, and once they've created their accounts on these three income streams, you got them. What you need to do, guys, this is the crucial step. What you need to do is you need to keep nurturing them. Make sure that they get into the Facebook group. Make sure they get onto your mailing list and they keep paying attention to your messages. We give you an email broadcast. All right, even free members get the email broadcast. Don't worry about the email autoresponder. That continuously goes. You can't edit the email autoresponder, but it's all branded to you anyway. And we've done those. The follow-up messages are all done for you and branded to you. So those will just keep dripping into the member's account. Guys, what we're trying to do here is we're trying to take away the unnecessary extra work that you really don't need to do. Now, if you want to do that kind of thing, go to ClickFunnels, set up something in ClickFunnels and pay $90 a month. All right, or go to my PowerLead system and pay $53, $54 a month. All right. So if you want those, you want to edit the extra funnels or do your own thing, or have your own funnels that you can edit and do your own thing, get all technical, that's up to you. But I've seen people do that kind of thing, and in months and months and months, or if not years, they've been involved in those marketing systems, shelled out huge amounts of money, monthly costs, and they never got their first funnel out there. They end up quitting, having spent $300, $400, $500 because they've been paying every single month and never actually got set up. All I'm saying, guys, with Network Solutions Pro version 2.0, it'll take you literally less than 10 minutes to get fully set up and join these three programs, even if it's just getting set up for free. All right. And then know that when you bring people in here, simply by grabbing your link to promote, all right, one link here, guys, share it out there, get it out there. And then by getting leads through the system, they are with you. They're connected to you. Then all you do is you let the system work, all right, to nurture them, get them back on board. Every link that they see in here will be coded to you. Okay, all the links to join the programs will be coded to you. All right, when they join the Facebook group, as long as they are already on board with these programs, once they join the Facebook group, they're locked in anyway, and then they just they get alerted when there's information, there's updates and other things. All right, so what we've done here, guys, is we've simply created a system that it's not just about the funnel. The entire system is the funnel. It's not just the pages on the front end that act as the funnel. They go through the first page in the funnel. They get to the second page. They have an opportunity to join those three programs. Okay, there is already a sense of urgency at this point where they get to join, and then right on that page they have an easy way to actually join the marketing system itself. So then when they get into that, at this stage, guys, they're already on your mailing list anyway, so they're going to still get nurtured. All right, but if they choose to join the marketing system, that's great. If they don't, they're still on your mailing list, so they'll get another opportunity down the road. So when they join the marketing system, they joined it for free anyway, but there is an urgency to do that because they want to have a way to start to earn money from these programs they've just joined. And then by simply promoting one link, they get to promote all these programs in one place. All right. But we've carefully figured out these programs, not only are they long-term and they've been stable and they've been going for months and months, in some cases years, such as my passive trades and Diversity Fund Club, which has been going on since 2016. Not only that, but we've we've carefully figured out that you know, people are not prepared to spend ongoing, you know, monthly subscriptions with companies, all right, with products that they're not familiar with, or they're not you know, they're not really that interested in, or they don't know how to promote, they don't know how to market it, so they can't, you know, make enough money to cover their costs. But you know, obviously their initial goal was actually to make money, you know, but they're not making money, they end up spending money. But with this program, you're going to be in profit as soon as you start bringing people in through the system. And if they take action, you're going to be in profit. All right. If you decide to put some money into these programs, you're going to be able to earn a daily passive income anyway, without, you know, regardless whether you bring people in or not. So either way, we've got you covered. All right. You're still going to make money, you know, anyway, in any which way you go about this. All right. So my advice is, you know, get all in on these programs. Use this system. All right. Bookmark your own personal links to promote this system. All right. So that you have you know, a really, really solid set of businesses in one box, that all you have to do is to hand out that box to people, and they have that you know, they get to duplicate this box so that they can brand it, set it up, and get it out to the next people. And that's how you're going to be able to go viral with a system like this. All right. And you never have to pay for it. So guys, my advice is just to get all in on this program, get all in. And because it's a multiple streams of income system, you know, regardless of what happens to one company, all right, if one company goes down, we have an opportunity to add a new company in there. Or if one company starts to go into certain issues where they can't pay out anymore, or there is a period of time, like say 2 or 3 weeks, where, you know, they've got to sort something out about their back end system or whatever, and so they're not unable to pay members. You guys don't care, because you've still got 2 other programs within this system that's still paying out. Okay, so you always generate an income, but none of these programs require you to pay monthly fees. So you're not actually paying ongoing fees for using this entire system. So you know, all I'm saying is multiple streams of income, but making it easy for you. So all you have to do is to share out one link. They go through the same system as you did, going through very simple baby steps, get set up, and once they're in there, all they ever see is your join links. You get to communicate with them because they're connected to you. You get the tools such as the email broadcaster, so you can follow up on a mass level. All right, so in all, it just simply makes it absolutely, you know, easy for you to use this system without any issues. All right. Anyway, you know, get on board, guys. Absolutely get on board. The link is below. Look forward to working with you, and see you on the inside. Okay, bye for now.